Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you the May printable that came out today. So like with all my printables, you have a sheet of journaling cards and you have a sheet of the little die-cutty pieces. So for your journaling cards, you're going to get these three. So these two 3x4s and this one 4x6. And throughout the entire printable are little sentiments that are from a song that I wrote a couple of years ago called Dream Catchers, and so that is why the little printable kit is called Dream Catcher. So this one is this little like lilac-y type color with the florals, and then of course the butterflies and the dragonflies and the stars, and this one says all your visions are very clear now that you're here. This is just a little journaling card and it just says hopes and dreams on it. And this one, it says your dreams will be there to catch you. And so those are the cards that you get. And then you get a sheet of assorted kind of cut apart pieces. This, what I have here, like everything that I have in this bag is from 2 cut aparts, because normally I cut them apart with my Silhouette machine, but my Silhouette kind of like ate my cut apart sheet like 3 times, and so I ended up having to fussy cut them myself. So I think I have like this is like from 2 different, like 2 sheets, so I printed out 2. But in the cut aparts you get this little kind of card here. It says my goals, and then you get one of these like little floral clusters. So I have 2 because of course I printed 2 sheets. You get a bunch of these little stars. They're just like scattered about. Of course you get the May. You get some of these florals. So I have a lot of them. You get these bigger green florals. Then you get this. This was like the only thing that my Silhouette actually cut out really well, but you get like another little kind of leafy thing there. You get some dragonflies. So again, this is a combination of 2 pages. So you know when you get the free printable, you can just print out as many pages of the cut aparts as you want. So you have the dragonflies, and then I have a bunch of butterflies because I think in the sheet I give you like 4 butterflies, 4 or 5 butterflies. So of course I cut out 2 sheets, and so I have a lot of these pink butterflies here. And then of course you get the you know, the little strips. So across the board, okay, this one is supposed to be with this one. Sailing through time across the border lines, aiming for the stars. And then you get this, so you get that sentiment, and then you get this one, wherever you are, I will always be with you. So I have 2 of those. You'll see when you get like the actual sheet, I just went ahead and cut mine apart because I am going to use it to show you how I'm going to use it in my journal. So this is the cut apart, and of course, again, your cut apart sheet doesn't come with all of this stuff. It comes with all of it, it's just I have doubles of them because I had cut 2 sheets apart. But with the printable, you can print out as many copies as you want, so you can go ahead and print like 5 pages of this and just have a bunch of these little pieces to play around with. But that is what you get. So I did take out the labels in this one because I use the labels, but I don't know, they just kind of take up too much space, and I thought, you know, to have more butterflies and flowers and stuff on the sheet would be way better use of the space than having the labels. So that's why you don't have labels in this printable. So this is free. You'll find it in my shop, and you can download it for free for the month of May. And then along with that, I do have a sticker sheet. So this is the sticker sheet, and again, it just has the florals, it has the butterflies, the dragonflies, this little leafy thingy, and then a bunch of stars. And it all matches with the printable. I do have another printable. I have a bullet journal printable, but as I am filming this, I have to edit it still. Because I printed out a test copy and some of the pieces were a little too big, so I don't have that to show you right now, but as this video goes up, it'll go up May 1st, and that's when all the printables and the stickers and everything for the May design will be up in my shop, so you can go check that out. So yeah, I think I'm going to do a page in my Silva Rerum because I really don't know what I want to do with this, and so I guess just to do a journal with me, which is what you all expect when I come out with a new printable. I think I'm just going to pick a page in my Silva Rerum here, and I know there was a page that had like a purple, page, like this one could work. Oh, it was this one. I think it was this one because this purple pattern sort of matches the colors. So I think I might do something here, and I'm going to use the printable. And yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this journal with me. I will leave links down below to where you can find the free printable in my shop, the stickers if you wish to purchase the sticker sheets, and the bullet journal kit, which is also a printable, but you would also have to purchase that separately. I will leave all those links in the description box down below so you can check those out. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy this journal with me, and I'll see y'all next time.